he reached late in the night, maybe about 2 o'clock. So that's the reason why he's a bit late to the event, Nagar function. Now I request Kaukab Saab to say a few words about his experience as he himself is a All India Gold Medalist, Mr. All India Inter-University in his student days, and he's an international judge, and he widely toured about 30 odd countries, and he worked some good time in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and yeah, now finally landed back. Actually, he's a Hyderabadi, but no, he got a job there in Kashmir. So I request Kaukab Saab to speak on this occasion.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everybody. Respected Vice Chancellor, sir, chief guests for today's event, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. It is indeed a matter of great pride and honor for me to be present here today at the AIU Observer, because AIU has interested in me to attend this as an observer from AIU. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Andhra University for taking this prestigious tournament, this initiative to organize this national event with such a dedication and excellence. Because behind this hard work, I know how much Vijay Mohan Saab has done. I know frequently we used to talk. There was a hell of work to organize this tournament. And it's more than 500 students participating in this. It's not a joke. University sports in India have witnessed dynamic leadership of Association of Indian Universities. Competitions like this are not merely contests for physical appearance, but platforms that reflect discipline, dedication, scientific training, and the spirit of healthy competition. Dear students, when you win, you celebrate. When you lose, try to accept. Accept from your mistakes, work hard, come for the next tournament and win yourself. But don't show, please, your frustration on the stage. Dear athletes, standing on the stage itself is a victory. Months and years of discipline, training, strict nutrition, sacrifices, and wavering focus have brought you here. Remember, true physics is not only about muscular development, but about symmetry.